these are pools, different temperature pools. Wow. Wowee, this place is beautiful. Look at that ice. Oh yeah, I do see them. Like the other bridge that collapsed over. It's an old mining ghost town. That one looks cool. Gustavusson home, huh? Bless you. Charles and Alma Inge Gustavusson. House built circa 1906 to 1907. They sold the house in May of 1910 to E.J. Holman for $110 plus 2% interest. Oh, they bought the land for $1. The house has always been known for the indoor toilet. It was actually an outhouse with a closed hallway to the necessary room. There's a dang trap door. I don't want to go any further. Fireplace. They're missing some walls. There's the two structures we already passed. There's some more. I'm going this way. The Ute people were the oldest residents of Colorado. I'm kind of scared. I think I'm gonna walk out this way. Is there more? Oh, there's one more. One room. I don't even need to go in. Well, very simple. Watch your head, babe. Oh, wow. The force of nature, the steady roar of the waterfall can be heard year-round at Box Canyon. And at Spring Peak, water spray fills this whole area. Did you know that the force of the falls could provide power for most of Ouray? Don't forget to look below to see the old mining equipment left in the riverbed from the 1960s. There it is. Wow. Trying to give them time, so I'll read the signs. Nests, a rare treat. The niche across the creek holds a special treat, a chance to view the rare black swifts nesting in their summer home. Can you see their nests camouflaged against the rock walls? Like many of Ouray's residents, they return each summer, flying thousands of miles to reach the waterfall and cliffs of Box Canyon Park. You cannot see them, it's kind of dark. Holy crap. I got cold again. Wow. Oh, I can feel it. I'm getting wet. Wow. Holy crap, I feel so oh my